Lightning for 10 minutes? That's not normal. We usually think lightning lasts just a second, but one lightning flash shocked scientists. In 2020, a lightning bolt lasted over 10 minutes, the longest ever recorded. And it didn't just stay in one place, it stretched across hundreds of kilometers like a sky highway. This happens in giant storm systems called megaflashes, way bigger than normal lightning. So next time you see lightning, just remember, nature can go extreme. Follow Fact Preserve for more insane facts.